Again. Hold your breath. Hold your breath.
Here.
Can you show me? What does it look like?
What's this black spots for?
That's your lungs, baby.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
This one?
Can you show me?
More cabbage.
Sige, go. Up, not just the icing, the whole thing, baby.
I'm getting this first so I could eat the whole thing.
O sige, eat the whole thing, please. The whole thing. Were you brave? Having your chest x-ray?
Just a little bit. It's right there.
Yeah, the cake. Which cake do you like? Did you have?
Oh, I even have this. But I have this already, so I can have this that I
This is how big it is. And then the needle too, we'll put the needle here. And that's a big.
No.
So,
No, put the needle over.
how are we going to give you medicine?
No, stop.
That's why you listen to us so that you won't get scared. You won't get sick.
I will put the Band-Aid.
No, we don't need Band-Aid anymore. We have to wear a jacket so that you won't get cold.
Do you think Daddy's
I love
joking? Do you think Daddy's joking? No. No. Go hug Daddy.
Mommy's just trying to make you feel good.
Go hug na Daddy so he won't injection.
I don't want injection. No.
Oh, come on. Injection like that. Pull this one. No, here. Pull. Go.
It's hard.
I will catch you. Nika will catch you.
Alright.
Okay. Kabawamis. Kinukunan ko kayong kumukuha eh. Ang cute kasi. Okay. Careful. Alright, sige. You can go. Go with Wayo and Ethan. They will give it back. Yes, also you. Ano yan? Ay. Do you like?
No, no.
Yeah.
Then someone is okay.
Okay.
Hold it.
Oh, you choose a chair.
In the middle.
I can see you gonna take shower. I'm telling you,
show me your toys? What's that? What you trying to do? You smell Kuya's feet? Help me. What's she trying to do? She's really...